5 और 6 पर ये बढ़िया शुरुआत यहाँ पर धीरज की मिड विकेट की दिशा में चौका.
Hits over the infield, the mid-on fielder chasing that. But once again, nicely connected, and that's a maximum. Outside edge and taken. Short ball in the air, a field and a deep square will not be able to खा सकते हैं. Once again, a short ball hit in front of square. This is incredible batting. Nicely hit. Oh, that's brilliantly connected. Dheeraj. Once again, Preetham Patil with his favorite shot. This time over the infield, 2 back-to-backs.
Free flowing, lovely shot again. This time over the long on.
Dheeraj getting his third one this time. Just extension of the left feet. And there goes the ball over the long on boundary. Preetham hits it and it goes one bounce. 4 runs to end the power play. Ratnagiri Jets are 66 for 1.
From him as well. The work ethics. Inside out. Great bit of timing and pace.
There was a quick finish and this over ends with a wicket. Oh yes, there was 1-1-1 dot ball.
Yeah, Nikhil and me, we played for the same club. Another wicket! Another wicket! And this time it...
So the left arm spinner and the left hand batsman, there was that opportunity. It was in the air but also in the gap. Welcome, and I would have never bowled to any right hand batsman either. That's in the gap. Powerfully struck through the gap.
Nicely swept, fine. The fielder will not be able to stop that. This is really smart batting from a loud appeal, but it looked like straying down the leg side. A chance for a run out. Yes, that's a direct hit. Oh, that's wonderful wicket keeping. Aniket Porwal.
The box. This what Aniket Porwal has created here. This is his wicket, and that's why when you're in the game as a wicket keeper, you have to.
बहुत अच्छे ये variations हैं. फिर एक बार outside edge, कोशिश अच्छी थी पर नसीब का साथ वहां पर.
For what kind of batsman? Oh, he's gone for it. That was a short delivery. This
should. For the Ratnagiri Jets, does he found the fielder? Yes, he has! What a fabulous catch by Sachin! Running to his right, Sachin Das.
It's timed too well that it reached the fielder. What an effort! Great catch. Covered a lot of ground. Now this is the kind of support a bowler needs in this kind of a format. Azim Qazi gone for 46 of 38 deliveries.
His dive to perfection.
Up in the air, fielder taken. No, it's out. Looked like for a second that he had held on to it.
Because this was an easy catch, came under the ball and out it goes.
Tower and then look to take that catch.
Oh, that's huge. That's what Nitin Naik is known for. Where's this one going? Oh, that before. Will do. Was aiming the leg side. Good. Has he connected? Has he connected? Yes, just. And that just is enough. Straight up. 2 fielders. And again, that goes down. And Naik, who wants strike, is taken strike. We are run out. The spinner's doing well. Taranjit Dhillon picked up a wicket.
Allen will certainly also get an opportunity as well. Take a look at that. Short arm jab, but unable to clear the field there.
What a catch! आज हमने देखा है फील्डिंग का जो स्तर रहा है महाराष्ट्र 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर Divyang continuing his spell. Nicely done. A good punch. Well timed. A fielder at deep point. Dives full stretch. But the ball will win the race. Agar wo connect hote hain. Oh, yahan.
Wasn't expecting it. We were talking about anticipation for Ankit Bhavne, but this time certainly Pradeep foxing him.
Oh, इसमें अतिरिक्त उछाल और ये catch.
It falling for the PBG Kolhapur Tuskers. Playing with that pressure.
By Kunal Thorat. Again, straight to the fielder, but it goes straight through him, and that'll be a boundary. Finally, after 39 balls, there comes the boundary. Sirf 2 run आए. Making room, but a similar result, maybe. Yes. Oh no, he slips again.
Quality on the batsman, like we spoke about earlier. Some shots like that will give you confidence and the momentum that you're looking.
ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर आए, थोड़ी जगह बनाई और ये बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी है और यही हम कह रहे थे और यही चर्चा.
नहीं, क्रीज पे अभी भी बना हूं. कुछ इस तरीके से इस मानसिकता के साथ ही खेलना है. Big overs like this, 11-12. Top edge once again. Unfortunately, commentators curse, and it's a great comeback there by Kunal. That was good enough.
Oh, that's what these left-arm spinners are. I think that's what the spinners are. They have a big, big heart. Edge and a good catch there by the wicket-keeper, Nikhil Naik.
So it's a great platform. And would be looking to lead from the front. There you go. Picks up.
Mainly in the middle overs when the spinners bowled well. Otherwise, I think hats off to... Oh, what a shot that was. Where did that come from?
के ऊपर से. Have a look at that.
आजिम काजी ने बेहतरीन तरीके से किया इस बार लेग स्टंप के ऊपर एक गेंद खिलाड़ियों के साथ. At regular intervals, whenever they try to play big shots, they kept losing wickets. This one is a big one. Nicely played. Good use of the feet.
प्रदर्शन करते महाराष्ट्र के लिए. आज भी बढ़िया गेंदबाजी की बनी. यहाँ पर हवा में गेंद है. मौका बन सकता है. ओहो, कमाल का कैच.
He went for it. But Satyajit, clever bowling and a fabulous catch.
Yeah, fielding has been pretty good, even though they've dropped 2 catches, but the ones they've taken have been brilliant. And look at this one. Satyajit, 1 for 24. Caught Krish, bowled Satyajit.
Goes for it on the first ball as he connected, field under it. And should be an easy catch, and it has become an easy catch. Satyajit Bachao, 2 out of 2 on a hat-trick now.
बढ़िया गेंदबाजी और बढ़िया कैचिंग कह सकते हैं यहाँ पर. दिव्यांग
did pretty well, even though they've dropped a couple of catches. That one, oh, well taken.
Brilliant catch.
outstanding catch. The awareness is so important near the boundary rope, and he made it look so easy. बहुत ही बेहतरीन.
In comes Vijay Paule. Appeal and not given.
मैं इसके बड़ा कमबैक करके दिखाऊंगा और उन्होंने करके दिखाया.
Set match for the champions of the first season of the Maharashtra Premier League. Ratnagiri Jets have won this match by 54 runs. In a T20 game, you have to call that a massive margin.
A few wickets. He was trying to make partnerships so that they could get to a total, a challenging total.
He batted well. Hasn't bowled an over today. Can bowl as well. So let's see if he can. He'll be doing that. So the first match of the second edition of the Maharashtra Premier League. Have a look at the match summary. Ratnagiri Jets were put into bat, scored 172. Azim 46, Dheeraj 42. Taranjeet and Kaladkar picked up a wicket each. PBG Kolhapur Tuskers, while chasing, managed only 118 runs. 3 wickets for Satyajit, 2 for Nikit. The Ratnagiri Jets have won by 54 runs. Yes, we'll take a short break.